Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nara. In today's video, I will talk about n8n and show you each and every workflow step by step. Before that, let's test it. In the last video, I installed n8n on a VPS server. I had set up a self-hosted instance on my domain. In this platform, you can create as many workflows as you want. And there are no limitations on them. Okay, so here I have created a workflow. Let me first test it for you. So what happens here is that you will enter any topic through WhatsApp, and an email will be automatically generated from that topic. And here in Google Sheets, all your email addresses stored here will receive an email related to that specific topic. Okay. For example, it's currently inactive, but if you want to test it, you can click on Execute Workflow. So what do I do here? I click here on Execute Workflow and enter this text. What is PowerMTA Mail Server? Okay. The text that I have just entered here will become the subject of your email, and the AI will create the content for me automatically. As soon as I send this WhatsApp message, look here, the AI agent is running. Okay. Then from here, it will send me an email. Where will it send the email from? It will send emails to all the addresses that I have stored in this Google Sheet. Then it will show that your workflow is completed and sent successfully. Okay. Then I go to my email and check whether the email arrived or not. Okay. So I check this here. Because of the SMTP configuration that I have set up, something like this has arrived. What is PowerMTA Email Server? So the text that I had sent here. This is the subject of your email, and this is the content below. So it has written the entire content here correctly and sent it to me via email. So I created this workflow here. And if you want this workflow, I will download it and provide you the JSON file. You can WhatsApp me using the link below or read the blog post. I will provide it in both places. So you can use this workflow in different ways. So look here, this workflow begins with a WhatsApp trigger that activates as soon as you send a message to that WhatsApp number. Meaning it will start from here. Then what it does second is that it checks here whether the message is valid or not. So if there is something false, then it will not respond here. Meaning the workflow will stop. If it is true, then it will send it to Google Sheets. It will send it here. It will check here whether it has email IDs or not. Okay, it will do this here. First, it will take the data from here. Then it will check here whether it has email IDs or not. If not, then it will go here. That means it will send a no response or the workflow will stop here. If there are email IDs, then it will send it to the AI agent here. Okay, then there is an AI agent, right? Here I have put a prompt that says, create an email about this topic. What I mean is, I am telling it that I am sending a topic for an email template. You can customize it formatted in HTML, and it should not according to your requirements. Okay. So, I have kept this prompt here in the chat, which is powered by AI. I am using this one. It is open source, and I am using OpenAI's API for it. Okay. Then what it does is that this AI agent creates the content and sends it forward. Then the email is sent from here. In the email send node, the email IDs from Google Sheets are added to the field. So then the email is sent from here. This agent has provided to me. Okay. And then here shows success. I had created this workflow. And if you want this, then I will show you. Now I will show you how you have to do it. So I open it here in a new tab. And I click here on Create a Workflow. Okay, let's name the workflow. WhatsApp YouTube demo. Okay. What do you have to do first here? You have to set the trigger. So you have to click on the plus sign here to set the trigger from where your workflow will start. As soon as you click on the plus sign here, you will get options here. So here you can trigger in different ways. You can also trigger on chat message here. That means if you write hi in chat or whatever your topic is here, your trigger will start from there. If I want to do it through WhatsApp, then I search for WhatsApp here. This WhatsApp Cloud API will appear. So look at this trigger. There are so many triggers here. You can choose from them. So what do? I select the on message trigger here. So first of all, what do you do here next? You should have an account. I already have one. But if you don't have it, then something like create new credential will appear. There you have to enter the client ID and client secret. So, how to do it? What you have to do for this is Google Facebook Developer. Meaning, this number that I obtained from where and how can you get it? So, I will show you that. And then you have to connect it here. Okay? Then it will work for you. So first of all, you have to go to developers.facebook.com. Okay. Then you have to go to My Apps. Here it is. And here is what I had created. Here I will create another one. I click on Create an App. Okay. You have to click on Create an App and the name that I keep here, the name of my workflow, I keep the same here. Let's go, I will keep this. Let's go YouTube demo. Next, I click here. Here you have to select Other and click on Next. Okay. After that, select Business here and click on Next. Okay. And then here I select my business account. Here you have to select your business portfolio. You can easily create a business portfolio here. Here, for example, if you don't have a Facebook business profile, you can go to business.facebook.com. And from here, you just have to click on Create a Business Portfolio, and you can easily create it here. As soon as you create it, it will be visible here. Then you have to click on Create App. Whatever your password is, you have to enter it. Click on Confirm to login. Okay. Then when you come here, you have to click on the setup of WhatsApp. Integrate with WhatsApp. We have arrived here. Then you have to go to API Setup. You have to click on the sidebar that you are seeing. Okay, so here you have got this number. This is the phone number ID. Look at this, okay? You have got this number from here, okay? And then where do you have to put it? So in n8n2, you have to enter this number. Okay. You can add your own number here by going to Manage from here. So this work is done. And after that, you can also generate an access token here. So I click on this here. I click on Continue and accept the terms. You have to click on this and click Continue and save. OK. This generated access token is useful when you have to send a message to someone through WhatsApp. It is useful. So I have shown you this as well. OK. So now you have to go to App Settings. No, this is App Settings. You have to go to Basic here. And here you will get your app ID and app secret. So you have to enter them here, and you will find them here. So I will copy and paste them here. And then you have to click on Save here, so it has been connected here. OK. Your first task here, WhatsApp Setup, has been completed. Now the next task you had to do was to check or validate the message here. OK. Wait, let me check. Wait a second. I added the wrong one here. I want to add this one, so what do? Copy this. You can search the name here and add that one. OK. Validate the message, and if it is false, then this one will be added here. OK. After that, if it is true, then you have to use your Google Sheets under the True branch. So what do? Search for Google Sheets here. Google Sheets, and what do you have to do here? Get all rows in sheet. So you have to do this here. OK. And you have to connect Google Sheets here as well. So if you are doing it for the first time, I have already done it, then you have to create a new credential and click on the credentials. Here you have to enter the client ID and client secret of OAuth 2. So I will also show you how to create this in this video. So both things will be covered for you, how to enter the credentials of accounts etc. in n8n. So you have to enter it once. After that, you can use it anytime. OK, there is no need to create new ones again and again. So what do you have to do? You have to open Google Cloud Console. Click on Google Cloud Console. Whatever Google Cloud Console is, you have to open it here. And then what do you have to do? You have to create a project here. OK, look here, I had created one for demo purposes. So look, I will create another one now. Now I will name it as n8n YouTube Demo and click on Create. OK. Here this project is being created. As soon as the project is created, select it. Click on it. And then after coming here, you have to go to APIs and Services, then Libraries. So what do you have to do here? You need to search for the Gmail API. Once you find it, you have to select it and enable it. What this will allow you to do is send emails from Gmail and perform other operations. In this example, I used my SMTP configuration. You can use any SMTP service you prefer. However, if you have activated the Gmail API from here, then you can send emails directly from Gmail as well. Understood? Next, I need to return to the library and I need permission for Google Sheets. So I will enable the Google Sheets API here as well. This has been enabled. What do I do after that? I also enable the Google Drive API. I went to Google Drive API here and enabled it. After that, what you need to do is go to Credentials. Here you need to click on Create Credentials and then OAuth Client ID. When you visit for the first time, you'll see something like this. Configure Consent screen. You need to click on this. Alright. Below this, you will see an option. In the Verification Center, you need to click on Get Started. I will name the application as n8n YouTube Demo. In the email field, enter your email address. Select External and click Next. Enter your email address here. Click I agree, then continue and finish. Perfect. This is being processed. Great. You will find the verification option here in the publishing status. You'll find it in the audience section. What do you need to do here? You need to click on Publish App. This is completed. Published. What do you do after that? You need to come back here. Go to APIs and Services and click on Credentials. Then click on OAuth Client ID and select Web Application as the application type. After that, here it is. Authorized Redirect URI. What do you need to enter here? Here it is. They have provided it. You need to copy it. Then paste it here. Then click on Create. As soon as you click Create, you will get the client ID and client secret. Got it? I will copy this. Alright. Wait a moment. Okay. I will enter the client ID here. And I will enter the client secret here. Wait a second, this keeps appearing in direct mode. Let me go back. I will download it. And I will copy it from here. Perfect. This is my client secret. I will click Save. This is completed. Then an option like this will appear. Sign in with Google. You need to click on it. Then select your email address. Click on Advanced. Go to this option and click Proceed. Select all permissions and then Continue. It will be added here again. Connection successful. Our connection has been established successfully. Something like this will be displayed here. Account connected. I have completed this task as well. Let me show you here. What you need to do next is create a Google Sheet. What name should we give it? Let's name it VK. Look, the name here is VK. You can create it. This is Sheet 1. Sheet 1 is written below. I have selected both of these. I'll click on this to go back. Perfect. You can set this checkbox to false. What happens when it's false? There should be no response returned. It has appeared here. After that, we need to add our AI agent. What do we do here? We need to select this. We need to add the AI agent here. Great. As soon as you add the AI agent, first you need to add a chat model. For the chat model, if you have a direct OpenAI API key, you can use it. I will use OpenRouter because it provides some free credits to work with. What do you need to do? Go to the OpenRouter website and create a free trial account. It's quite simple. After that, go to API keys and create an API key. After creating the API key, simply enter it here and click Save. Mine is already entered. You have many models available here. You can select this model. GPT-4 Mini. Understood? I have selected it here. What do we do after that? In the first step, I had entered a prompt. I will enter it here as well, but first, let me complete the remaining steps. There were some remaining steps. Now we need to send the email. Do I need to send only email, or is this the final step? What I'm doing here is sending the email directly from Gmail. Alright? I'm trying to send the email using my Gmail account. I'm sending from Gmail here. I click OK. I select Send Message here. Perfect. Credentials are being configured here. I click on Create. I already have the client ID and client secret with me. I will use those. You can also download it, so click OK on this and I'll click Open again. This is my client ID. Perfect. And the client's secret is here. I'll save this. Then I'll click Sign in with Google. I'll be sending the email from this account only. If you have SMTP configured, you can add SMTP as well. Alright. Perfect. It has been connected successfully. Great. I will close this. Now that you have created this workflow, let's arrange it properly. When a message comes from here, it will first go to Google Sheets, check the email in Google Sheets, and then proceed here. First, we need to verify if the number we received matches or not. Alright. What do? I click on Execute Workflow here. I'll enter something like what is Power BI and keep this again. Then I'll check where the workflow is stopping. Perfect. The workflow is stopping here. But first, you need to click Execute on the AI agent. Please resolve the remaining issues here as well. Alright. First, let me check this. I'll enter something here. Perfect. The workflow is completed here. Now if I check here, what message was received in the old node? Let me execute it again. I'll send something here. It was received. Wait a moment. Should I press it again? I'll type this here. As soon as I typed, look here, the workflow I had entered showed what the message is. This is just for example because when I work with the AI agent, it will take that data from the old one and I need to add the data here. That's why I was testing this. What you need to do now is select Define Below in this prompt. Then go to the WhatsApp trigger here. Go to the body in the WhatsApp trigger. Drag and drop the body here. Because this is the body. This means this is the text you will send on WhatsApp. That is the text. Then you can write your prompt here. What do? I will use the same prompt that I had used earlier. I will use the same prompt here. Perfect. I'll add this here. Great. You can execute this step. This will also show you the format you will receive. Perfect. It has displayed it in HTML format. This is now complete. Now let's go here and configure Gmail. Who do I want to send the email to? This is the Google Sheet here. What do you need to do in the To field? Open this Google Sheet. Drag and drop the email from here. It will take the email from there. What do you put in the subject? You need to put the subject body. The text that comes from WhatsApp will be your subject. You need to add it here. And what will be your message? The message will be provided by the AI agent. Whatever output the AI agent has given, drag it and drop it here. This will be your complete setup. Now it's ready to run. You can save it. If you want to keep the workflow active continuously, you can keep it active. Anytime you send a message on WhatsApp within 24 hours, it will process it and send the email. What do we do now? Let's execute it now. I will activate this and now I will send a message on WhatsApp. What is AI? I have given it a topic here. Look here, it's running. It's here with the AI agent. Now it will prepare its content from here, then it will send an email to itself using Gmail. Where? Where will it do this? Here, on all the emails that we have in our Google list. Okay. So I will check here whether my email has arrived or not. Okay. Right now I have not received the email. Because the first time I did it was through SMTP, and this time the email that I have sent has been sent from my Gmail. From this Gmail account because I have connected it here. Okay. So, let's check whether it has been sent here or not. In the sent folder, yes, this email has been sent from here. I will refresh my inbox from here. All the folders. Okay, it has arrived. Let me open it here. So what is n8n? The text that I had sent to WhatsApp appeared here. And then whatever content it generates, based on your prompt, appears in the email. You can customize this from here. What can you do with this? When you are sending emails, you need to scroll down. And you can turn off the footer from here. So this footer that appears at the bottom will not appear later. And you can customize it according to your prompt. Based on your prompt, better content will be generated here. So you can create different use cases for this workflow. It's not limited to creating emails only. If you want to get some updates or modifications done here, then you can use this workflow accordingly. If you want to use existing workflow files, JSON files, which contain pre-built workflows created by others in n8n, you can also use those. You just have to import their JSON file here, and you will get the same workflow format. After that, you just need to edit the configuration here. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the future, we will create more workflows related to automation. And I have also uploaded a video about n8n installation. So you should watch that too. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching the video.